I just spent an hour on Max Rowan-Spear latest video about Dominic Raab. Oh my God. I've had a circus there. I must have posted about 100 comments. Well, no, not hundreds exactly. Say about 20 or 30 comments. Dominic Raab, that bloody touch. That pinhole touch. That arsehole. I think I amused some people. We'll find out anyway. Oh my God, I got the cannons out. I got the cannons. Yeah, I'm drinking beer. I'm looking forward to the rugby this afternoon in Cardiff, by the way. And Jorn, oh God, gas. So much gas in this European beer. Let's do Brexit. Let's ban gassy European beer. Yeah? Come on, power to the people. And Jorn, my Norwegian oil rig cook friend, and Kelly, we'll have to meet one day, Kelly. No sex mind, I'm British. Oh, oh, look at my bloody moustache. Nicotine stains. God. Well, don't worry, in the next week or two, I'll do a sheep. Showing the sheep. Shave myself. And I'll do a number 5 over my head here. My hair is desperately requiring RF Brill cream, isn't it? Look at that state of me, man. I'm 61 and I'm losing my teeth slowly. I can hardly speak properly because I've lost. I keep dropping out slowly. 61. Can't find a dentist these days. Tories are denialist dentists with rotten teeth. Yeah. The worst, the people with the worst teeth in the world are dentists. They're self-denialists. Well, British dentists. Self-denialists. Oh my God. 3 minutes. Over 3 minutes, sorry. Lee, Barnum engines. I'll come to see you one day. I'll get my daughter to drag me down to Devon, North Coast Devon, where St. Patrick was from, before he got taken into white slavery into Ireland. Nicked by the back. Yeah, North Devon coast. Need to know, St. Patrick was born and brought up near Barnum-on-Sea, not far from Minehead, near Pontins. That's St. Patrick's Hood. Don't listen to all these bollocks saying he's from Scotland. He was from the North Devon coast, when in those times it was part of Wales. I've read the Welsh monastery manuscripts. Aberystwyth University. The English try and claim that he wasn't Welsh. St. Patrick wasn't Welsh. Was he? Fuck. Fucking more Welsh than bloody Rishi Sunak, the bloody Hindi corrupt bastard. Where's our money, Richie? Robbing County Kent. I'm going.